Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the notification animation on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. So if you get a notification like a text message or a WhatsApp message and you want to see some notification animation, then to do this, go ahead and open up settings. Next, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see wallpaper and personalization. From here, find notification effects, tap on this, and now you can go ahead and choose all the available notification effect. So this light up screen is a normal one where basically it just shows a notification. However, you can go ahead and choose the pulse. Since it's a curl screen, you have the edge lighting on the side. You can choose different colors, or you can have the starlight effect. So go ahead and choose your notification effects and then press home. And now when you get a notification, you'll see that notification effect on screen. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on notification effects on your Redmi Note 14 Pro. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.